Sorry about that, guys, but we are here now. My goodness. Streamlabs loves to give me problems. I don't know why they do this so much, but finally got it restarted and we're good to go. Don't know if you got a notification, don't know if you can hear me, don't know if anything's working, but I do know that I am here and I'm talking to you. So I want to say good morning to everybody. We got Crypto Rocketeer, Donnell, Pringleton, JB, Donnell, Lex Luthor, Caesar, the real Mr. Fantastic, Hungry Caveman, and Donnell are here. Very nice, guys. Fatima, Crypto Rocketeer, and that's it. That's all we got here. Hopefully you guys are in here because the chat is not moving at all. Am I talking to myself now? That is the question that I need answered. Good morning, Clay Bro. Good morning, SD. How you doing this morning? No notifications. Lex, I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you. The YouTube Streamlabs combination, sometimes I feel like they're out to get me. Other times, I feel like, well, whatever, dude. We just move on with our lives and we do us, right? We do we. We do we. Hello, Clay. Ajma. E aí, bom dia, como você tá? Fatima. No, man, we are here. That's what I'm talking about, Fatima. Thank you very much for letting me know that I'm not talking to myself, because I do wonder about that sometimes. Because I never know if anybody's getting a notification what's going on. AMC rolling right now. These green candles don't even keep it on the chart. Let's go back here. Boom, baby. AMC looking good. Up 2.5% right now. $37.60. Let's go back into the 40s today. Let's go back into the 40s. We want to be in the 40s. Good morning, bom dia. I got it. Good deal, Ajma. Perfecto. Yes, you were talking to yourself. We can't hear you ask that. Pringleton. I feel like I'm talking to myself all the time, though. It's not just while I'm live. It's while I'm watching TV. It's while I'm cooking. While I'm going... You don't need to know about that. But, hey, I feel like I'm talking to myself all the time. Morning, Clay. Did AI trading start today? AI trading start today. Artificial intelligence trading start today? Lex. Not sure, man. I got the notification. Good deal, Ajma. You're the only one. Você é a única pessoa. Bro, we can hear you. That's what I'm talking about, Jonathan. Thank you for letting me know. I got a notification. Good deal. Just got a notification. Alright, so notifications seem to be coming in a little late. Must be because... So I set the notification actually for... like I set the live stream to go live at 11:15, but they must have waited until I actually clicked go live. Clay, please check the DM I sent before you hop off this stream. I know you can on your... Well, it's not an iPad, it's a tablet. Let me go get the tablet over there then. Because he said please 3 times, dude. Hey, bro. Nick F! What's up, Nick F? How you doing? Notification. Good deal, Nick F. I like it, man. Nick F. You're going to have a good day today, man. What up, bro? Here in Tree and River Ranch, waiting for some hogs to come by, watching AMC. I assume you're hunting hogs. I never knew anybody to hunt hogs before, dude. Is that like a thing? You're sitting in a tree waiting for a hog to walk by, and then what do you hit it with a bow and arrow? You got a crossbow? Like, how do you kill a hog? I don't even know. Thoughts on fun? Fun can produce a lot of fun, but it is dangerous, my friend. Devil's Advocate notified. That's what I'm talking about, Devil's Advocate. Glad to have you in here. She had a great run now at new support levels. Amazing. Can someone fake live stream? A lot of clickbait. Dude, Lex, I don't understand those fake live streams out there for Shiba. Like, I feel like I only see 2 or 3 people doing legitimate Shiba live streams. I feel like we should see about that, because that's some scammy crap out there with that one dude, and it's got to be the same person, right? Just with a bunch of bot accounts or something, saying like 17,000 people are watching, 30,000 people are watching, and they want you to send them, like they're scamming you out of your Shiba Inu. They want you to send them 500,000 or 1 million, and then they're going to double it and send it back to you. Yeah, don't do that, guys. Don't do that. If you want to send me some Shiba, go ahead. But like, if you want to send, don't send it to some scam account that's going to tell you that he's going to double it, and for no reason sends you twice as much back. Don't fall for that crap. Still under my Shiba. I'm sure, Devil's Advocate, you probably got filled at like a penny on your Shiba. Hey man, you mind giving me your thoughts on Mark? Rishi, I don't know anything about Mark. So I saw that it was running this morning, and I don't know anything fundamentally about Mark, man. Clearly you got potential. Like, we saw DWAC run a 1,000,000%. We saw Fun run a 1,000,000% last week. So not fun, but Mark could clearly have a lot of potential left and you make you a lot of money, but I do not know anything fundamentally about it. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Chris, hope you had a great weekend as well. Glad to be back. Loving the Green Day. Never losing patience, but need this to squeeze soon. Threw my back out yesterday out for the count. I'll be good in a few days. Chris, glad to be good in a few days, man. Yes, we do need this bad boy to squeeze. All right, let me grab that tablet for MG. So, because that sounds like something I'm interested in. So, let's get started. All right. Running back. All right, we're back. Whew. That was fast. I'm up in a tree with a feeder that goes off sunlight and dawn. Darn it, man. It's okay you spelled dawn wrong. We know what you're meaning. You don't have to retract it. I still want to know what goes on, how you hog hunt. No problems. Thanks. Rishi. Good deal, man. Good deal. When is the squeeze, Clay? Sean. Tomorrow, man. Tomorrow. Squeeze is tomorrow. And I don't mean to string you along because everybody on YouTube says the squeeze is tomorrow, right? So, in all honesty, the squeeze, a lot of things need to fall into place first. It's not like you see DWAC running, okay? That's not a squeeze. It's not a short squeeze per se. You see Fun running. That's not a short squeeze. You see Mark running. That's not, well, tell the guy to slow down. If Mark's running, tell him to slow down. Ask him if you can join him. But it's, oh God. All right, sorry if you want to subscribe because of that. But you see all these stocks running, man. These are not short squeezes. A short squeeze takes place when the shorts cover. So you need to figure out when the shorts are going to cover, why they would cover. They're not going to go out and buy AMC at $37 a share if they don't have to when they think that it's worth $3 a share. Think about it. If you bought AMC at $37 a share and it dropped down to $12, do you think that you would sell it if you thought it was worth $100? No, probably not. You probably wouldn't sell it. You think it's worth $100, so you think it's going to go up to $100? I don't know what just fell, man, but it's really weird when you're not doing anything and then something moves. So it's the same thing for the hedge funds. If they think it's worth $3 and they don't have to buy it at 37, why would they? Sean, tomorrow. Yes, short squeeze is an oxymoron. Short squeeze! I don't know if it's an oxymoron, but could be. I love Clay. I love you too, M. James. Howdy, everybody. Oh, what's for breakfast? Howdy, everybody, man. I don't know what's for breakfast. I need breakfast, though. Is that DWAC fun money coming into AMC today? Rob, it would be nice if it did, but I'm going to be completely honest. I think that the people in DWAC are going to stick in DWAC. I honestly do. Please give Clay a like, people. Phineas, thank you for asking nicely. Yes, people, please give me a like. What's up, Clay, bro? What's up, Doge Ape? Tell me what's short about it. I'll wait. Not the timeline, not the potential price, not this overall stature of the people that are in AMC. Short about it. Dang it, man. Give me some more time. I'll have to think of it later. I need more time, though. I wish I had your energy, dude. Jonathan, get some sleep, man. Get some rest, and then the energy just naturally comes. I came at 6 in the morning. The feeder goes off at 12. I wait till the doves fly away with signal that the hogs are coming, and I pick one with an AR-15. The hogs will be all gone down the tree. You pick one? You pick one, or you pick like a whole group of them with your AR-15? Big Cuban. Where you at, man? We don't have any just wild hogs running around here in Ohio, so I feel like you got to be somewhere that's clearly got wild hogs. But where you at, man? Sounds cool. But you got your plan, man. You know what you're doing. I like it. Lucid going to the moon. Fatima, good deal. Regular Potato, liked it. Thank you very much, Regular Potato. How's the weather, everyone? Dude, gray and gloomy here, man. Not working right now. Fun fact, it's record-breaking amount of rain for October in India. Apparently, we've had over 6 inches this month. Don't thank me. Thank the news guy. Thank you, news guy, for letting us know about the record-breaking rain in Indiana. It's also gray right now, dude. Slightly rainy, but it hasn't been ridiculous. So, thanks for making 2021 the best year ever. Howdy, everybody. I love it, man. 2021 is the best year ever. Is there a part 2 in court tomorrow? When do we know the verdict? Sarvas, what was part 1, man? I don't even know what part 1 was. Morning. How high do you think Prague can hit? Analysts' expectations, my expectations, I don't really know. I don't really know because Sam's our in-house prog expert, but analyst expectations are consensus at $6, and then the high consensus or the high estimate is $12 for prog. Those are analyst expectations. Those are not my expectations because I do not know the underlying fundamentals of prog. But shoot, man, a lot of people seem to be very interested in it. My back hurts from carrying y'all with this price action. I can't buy the float by myself. Chris, we got you, man. Take a rest. We got you. We'll lift you up. Let's see. This squeeze will happen next year. Tomorrow Entertainment. It could happen next year, but I'm still going to be here if it does. Do you think Shiba is going to hit a penny by the end of the year? Black Santa, I do not think Shiba is going to hit a penny by the end of the year. In order for Shiba to hit a penny, I think that the supply drastically has to come down before Shiba hits a penny, man. Let's see. Clay, you listened to this court case at all, and do you have any thoughts on potential outcomes and outcomes will affect we really? I really don't know what court case we're talking about, guys. I really don't. Citadel lawsuit, AI, Lex Luthor. Thank you very much. No, I did not know what court case we were talking about there. Yesterday it was super wet here in Oakland, California, but the rain has taken a break and the sun is peeking in now. Regular potato. Sounds like a good day. What do you think about Lucid stock? Steve, I think Lucid's got potential, man. I don't own any Lucid, but I think Lucid's got potential. I got prog, good deal, regular potato. Sam, Devil's Advocate is our in-house prog expert. If you got any prog questions, direct them towards him. Wow, F. Miranda. Wow, yes, like Citadel versus SEC today. Boom, boom, boom. My money's on the SEC, but the money is actually with Citadel, so... Chris. So I bought the dip last week before it ripped back up to 37. Think that's what broke my back. Could be, Chris. Could be. The Chris's seem to be really holding us up here. Apes together on AMC and DWAC. Our posts won't get blocked and deleted on its platform. Buy and hold, baby. The Humbled Megan. I like it. Also, the Humbled Megan, I swear there's somebody else in here that's got a very similar picture to yours. And I know you love DWAC. I know you love DWAC. You were pumping DWAC last week, too. Feel very bad. Ishan, why, man? What's the other stocks doing well? We were sitting here waiting for the MOAS. Don't feel bad, man. It's all right. Good morning, Claybro and the Apes. What's up, AMC Trapper? Pringleton taxes for billionaires, specifically when she made it a point to mention it for people who typically would even die before realizing any gains, losses, so I don't see any relevance to us. Good. I think. I don't like taxes, but still. Awesome, thanks, absolutely, Steve. Market combat. I do have a very particular set of skills. Ooh, this is a Liam Neeson quote here. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you who don't hit the like button. You know what his skill set is, man? He's gonna come over to your house. He's gonna cut your power. You're not gonna have any power in your house. Electricity, gone. What are you gonna do then? What are you gonna do? You're gonna panic. You're gonna panic. Your food's gonna melt. It's gonna spoil. You're gonna have to buy all new food. Hopefully you get insurance, and your insurance covers your food. If you don't, it sucks. Frank's got a very particular set of skills, and he's not afraid to use them. So click that like button. AMC and DWAC till the end. Laura, AMC and DWAC. Yes, I was listening. Personally, Citadel seems to not be doing well in the case, and the judges seemed abnormally aware of our side. Nice, man. What are these judges doing? They chilling in the clay, bro? Dude, wouldn't that be sweet if there was a judge in here just chilling? And he's like, all right, this verdict, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. If opening arguments sound like something you're interested in, let's get started. I'd be like, shoot, I'm trying all my cases with this judge right here. Clay, wrench time. It is wrench time, guys. All right, let's give away a wrench real quick. Spam the chat. I'm going to open up the YouTube chat right here. Spam the chat. Don't spam it with emojis. Your spam's probably not going to go through. You can win a free wrench for the rest of the day, guys. That's what we're doing right here. You got a wrench for the rest of the day. We're about 13 minutes into the stream right now, so let's wrench it up, baby. Spam that chat. We're going to randomly pick one. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, absolutely. M. James. I don't care about that at all, man. Sorry, guys. I was reading the chat from M. James there. Oh, you guys are doing good on the spam. All right, sweet. And I think I got one. Who won the wrench? Let's see who's got the blue name for this morning and afternoon stream today. Felix, man. I see Felix got a blue name in there. Good deal, Felix. You got yourself a wrench, my man. Wrestler saying raunch. Wrestler wants a raunch. Very good, Felix. Kind of a new name, man. I'm not used to saying Felix, so hopefully you stick around. You continue to chat, man. You got that wrench in there today. Make me proud, dude. Make me proud. Felix, you got it, man. Meh. Felix, that's what I'm saying, regular potato. Felix got the wrench there. Felix, are you new? I'm not used to saying your name, dude. Are you new? Felix says, cheers. Congrats, Felix. Spam. He loves the spam. Oh, yes. Good deal, guys. We got Felix a wrench. What's the wrench do? Howdy, everybody. One, a wrench makes your name blue, so it's very easy to see your chat. But as a moderator of the channel, you get a wrench. And you can basically, if YouTube blocks a chat from coming over because it's got some curse words in it, and then you can either unblock those so that I can see them. If somebody's acting crazy, you're allowed to delete their messages. You can ban them completely from the channel. But, I mean, the majority of it is the fact that you've got a blue name. So, it makes it very easy for me to see you in the chat. But, I mean, wrenches in general, dude, I don't have a big problem with people coming in here and acting nervous, you know, acting like a shit, calling me names, like all that kind of stuff. I can handle that. But if somebody's acting, like, really foolish, then go ahead. Ban them from the channel or time them out, whatever you want to do. Not me, please. Jeff did not want a wrench. Okay. Win some, you know some. Yes, you win some and you knows some. Good deal, Felix. I like it. Hey, Felix, though, for real, I don't see your name too often in here. Do you just like to chill out? Have you been watching for a while? What's the deal? Introduce yourself, Felix. We're glad to have you. A DWAC will break 200 this week. Angel. Now, Reddit is starting to say it's a... Is Reddit a short squeeze play? I mean, is DWAC, Reddit is saying that DWAC is a short squeeze play. They do realize that it has to be heavily shorted to be a short squeeze play, right? I don't even think the merger's gone through yet. I think they just announced the merger. Oh my god. Basically, as a wrench, your job is to allow Wrestler to have his messages show up. That makes sense, man. I would imagine that YouTube does hide a lot of Wrestlers' messages until you guys let them come through. Oh, gosh. I want a wrench so everybody knows what's for breakfast. Howdy, everybody. Get that wrench, man. Grandpa Barney shuts the power off. I'll just lag your internet connection and make you reset your modem Don't do that. I feel like Frank messes with me on a daily basis then. I feel like Frank really messes with me. Hey, Frank, if you come over here, can you hook me up? Like, can you somehow hook me up with more than 200 megabits per second internet speed? Like, what do we do about that? How can I get some better internet speed so that I can stream better and mine the cryptocurrency better and just do everything better in general? Hook me up, dude. We need to know. Yo, bro, what's up, Aurora? How you doing? Something popped up in the middle of that talking about the comments. I thought it was saying, I got the wrench. Only time I'll spam. Just wanted a wrench to fix my back. Chris, one of these days you're going to get a wrench, man. I know you will. I know you will, dude. Shout out Atlanta Braves, bro. ATL. Shout out to the Atlanta Braves. Whatever they're doing over there, shout out to you. Yes, I am mainly an audio listener. Has got work and home stuff to do. Gotcha, Felix. Then your audio listening could get pretty interesting then. I mean, it's kind of like entertainment, right? Audio listener, all good. You don't have to sit here and watch. But, as an audio listener, because I know a lot of people that are very active in here, I think that they enjoy it. I certainly enjoy it. What's your take as an audio listener, man? Is there anything that you would recommend that would be slightly better for audio listeners out there? They have cheap 1G internet plans. Dude, I want better than 1G internet plans. I need better than that, dude. I need the best internet that there is, and I feel like Frank can hook us up. What DKYC cards have already been used anonymously by holders for thousands of purchases, including grocery, bills, insurance, medicine, software. Interesting, man. I have no idea what that is. What are you even doing a live stream of you talking about absolutely nothing? No, we were talking about a lot of stuff, man. We gave away a wrench first, and then we greeted everybody. Chris, he's out of work for a couple of days, so we got that going on. AMC is currently trading at $37.43. I feel like we've had a lot of fun so far, man, and we're only 19 minutes in. So, are you paying attention? Are you listening? I feel like we've done a lot. Everyone hit that like button. New foe, man. Thank you very much. Morning, Clay. Let's go Apes Cup Velo. Let's do it. Looks like the wrench is better than home stuff. The wrench is better than home stuff today. What's up, everyone? Views on Mark, Hodl, Ross. Somebody asked me about it earlier. I don't know who. I forget the name of the person that asked me about it earlier. I don't know anything about Mark's fundamentals, man. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't know anything about Mark's fundamentals. I do know that Mark was up a little over 100% this morning and up about, what, 80% right now? I'm not exactly sure where it's at, what they do, any of that stuff. But if you guys want to keep an eye on it today, then we can keep an eye on it today. I know it's probably going to be a pretty volatile day overall for Mark. But if Weeble ever loads, we can see what it's doing. Devil's Advocate, okay, something as Weeble's loading there. Ryan Lance is a hater. Could be. Danny. Gosh, man. No! Just load. Don't make me reload it. Okay, 84% up. It was at $4.65 this morning. And pulling back a little bit. Wow, it was actually... gosh, wow, golly bum. Touched $9.85 pre-market. Still up 84% as it's sitting right here at $4 per share. Daily chart. Let's see what it looks like on the daily chart. Very nice. My goodness, look at that gap. Guys, this stock was 75 cents a couple days ago. 90 cents. Literally like 2 days ago, it was 94 cents. Touched 670 this morning already, but it was 985 pre-market. Absolutely running. I have no idea what's going on with these stocks as of lately. Fun up 0.58% at $8.79. DWAC rolling at $98 per share. Shiba Inu Coin 38.95 right now. AMC 37.58 rolling. Sundial barely up. CEI barely up. Prog, man. Progs are in-house killer. Prog sit at $3.37, making a lot of people money, up 14% on the day. Very nice if you guys are in Prog right now. Back down to AMC. Pull that bad boy up. Not a daily chart, though. We want a minute chart for AMC. And then, look at this. I mean, this ascending and descending trend we got going on here is really holding up. Really holding up on a daily support line. I think we might wedge, guys, into the middle of November is where it goes to. I think we might wedge in the middle of November. And I hope that the ascending line is what holds true, and then we bounce out and bust out of that wedge right there. But on a technical standpoint, this ascending and descending lines are really holding up. And we're narrowing down into that wedge there. But let's go back out to a minute chart. And then watch it roll, baby. $37.66. Young! Great job, bro. Thank you. Young. Thank you very much for the super chat. Great job to you too, Mr. Young, bro. I appreciate that. Thank you for the great job, and I will also raise you one. Great job. You're looking good today, man. How are short positions affected by tax loss harvesting at the end of the year? Isn't it better for hedge funds to sell their winners to offset short position losses or to close out short positions? Yeah, Starbase, let's talk about that. Clay, bro, wrestler thinks he can do better. Let him have a wrench. I'll carry on listening. Felix, no, man. No. We are not there's no giving away wrenches. If you want it, you want it, dude. You do not have to use it. You can be an audio listener, man. Today's your day. If you want to come back in the afternoon stream and say hello with your wrench, absolutely. But there are no wrench donations. I appreciate your generosity there, but you won, man. You won and you got it. So tax loss harvesting. It depends if they're profitable or if they're in the negative on their short positions. But if they were to go out, at the end of the year, they could sell, or not sell, but they would go out and buy the short shares to cover them. So they would buy shares of AMC and essentially cover them at a loss. If they did that, they would be able to write that loss off on their taxes for 2021. Now, are they going to do it? We don't know. But if they do want to lessen their taxes a little bit and they're sitting on some losses on their short shares, then they could absolutely use that as a reasoning to go out at the end of the year and cover some, if not all, of their short shares that are outstanding in order to write those losses off on their taxes. Prague running after I pointed out the banana split formation, Sunday formation in the chart last week, and you refuse to acknowledge the genius in my... Stay woke, dude. I did not refuse. We talked about the genius of that banana split pattern, man. You know we did. How about we squeeze before then? Let's do it, Ben. I would love to squeeze before then, man. Bag holding fun like a mother wrestler. 1080, right? I got your line on fun, I believe. I still got your line there. We still got your line on there. Heck yeah, man. 1080. We got your line. You weren't even bag holding this morning, dude. It was sitting at $12.33. You were solid this morning, up at least 20%. Not at least 20%. That was if it was 10 bucks. You were up at least 15% this morning, doing very nice. Dude, the thing about the volatility with fun, though, you can literally just be here 3 minutes from now, and you're back up above 10 bucks. Like, look at this. This was 2 minutes. That it fell from $12 down to $9.50. So in 3 minutes, man, you could easily be right back up there. Fun's dangerous. I mean, you know that. Fun is dangerous, so have some fun with it. DWAC rolling at $97.70 right now. Kind of trading sideways after pulling back a little bit from this morning. $121 pre-market. Very good. Hopefully you guys get a nice bounce if you're in DWAC as well. I want to see everybody making as much money as possible. Let's go back down to AMC. Dude, anybody... Speaking of Shiba, which I wasn't speaking of Shiba, but I did click on it. Shiba hit 4,500 points per coin. Anybody take their profit and get back in? Or are you guys literally holding till the end? Or what's the game plan for you on Shiba? Because... I want to know what you guys' thoughts are. Personally, I think we got a long way to go before we see things like a penny or 10 cents or even half a cent per coin. I think they need to burn a ton of the supply. But they are burning. They are burning the supply. I don't think we're going to get there anytime soon. But in the meantime, what are you guys doing? Just a stress-free hold, and no matter what happens, it happens? Or are you guys like trying to trade it and make some gains on the way up? What's the overall consensus on this? Let's go, Prague. Let's do it. The Decider. What's up with the Clay Bro brothers? Why do I only see 85 thumbs up? Let's go. Oh, come on. Click the like button, guys. Listen to Big Cuban, man. 290 people in here and 85 thumbs up. Get at least to 200 right now. Just roll, 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 roll. Let's go. Holding SHIB for 5 years, Michael. Very good. So you have no... If that's your plan, man, if that was my plan, because I'm still a little bit up in the air on what exactly I want to do with it. If you're holding for 5 years, if that was my plan to hold for 5 years, I wouldn't really even care what it's doing in the meantime, man. Are you like that, or are you like super excited about it? What's the deal if you're holding long term? Bin is also holding long term. Starbase is holding Shiba. I can't get myself to hold crypto because my fills make me so mad that once I'm even, I sell in anger. Dude, I know you were making money on Shiba though. I know you were making money on that. Oh, and hey, by the way, guys, right now, if you don't have a Webull account but you do want one, if you make it just a $1 deposit, right? There's no minimum. If you sign up for Webull using the link in the description below, and you make a $1 deposit, then you're going to get at least 2 free stocks, and I think those stocks are going to be at least worth $11 minimum, and then total, because I think one's probably $4 and one's at least $8. I think that's the requirements right now for like the minimum that you get. And then if you trade Shiba, buy at least $1 worth of Shiba, they give you $5 free in Shiba. So if you do want to grab some Shiba Inu and you just want to have $5 worth and you literally don't want to buy any, if you use the link in the description below, buy $1 worth of Shiba, then you're going to get $5 worth. So you're going to have $6 sitting there and you literally spent $1. So you have $12 in free stocks and you're going to have $6 in Shiba, and all you did was deposit $1. So check that out if you do want to use that. Matt does not like China owns them. Well, yes, dude, they are a Chinese platform, so they would be out of China. Payment for we can discuss payment for order flow if you want, man. Payment for order flow is actually good. You just don't like the abuse of payment for order flow, man. But payment for order flow is actually good. How long do you think AMC will take to squeeze? Jair, man. I think it's gonna take a minute. I think we gotta have things fall into place before we get there. Passive. If it moons, great, but I bet when I am willing to lose, but on a long enough time frame, bullish. I put what I'm willing to lose. Gotcha. I bet what I'm willing to lose. Okay, and understood that now. But AMC is my baby. Cavilo. Very nice, man. Every time I deposit funds to get some Shiba, I end up buying more AMC. I can't help myself. LV84. I feel like a lot of people are in that same situation, man. Talk about AMC. Fear Jesus, we can talk about AMC, man. Are you guys getting any specific questions on AMC, or what do you want to discuss about it? China also probably made everything in my closet. Everything in your closet, probably everything in your kitchen, half the stuff in your car that you drove to work today. Yes. Did you say they're better brokers? Way better. Yeah, Matt. Absolutely, man. If you guys... So, Fidelity is one that everybody likes to go to when using the whole Webull debate and the payment for order flow debate. But as a broker, man, I really don't have a problem with Webull. I've never had any issues with communication with them. I've never had any issues. I mean, Sam, Devil's Advocate, may have had some problems with his cryptocurrency fills getting filled a little bit above where he thought he was getting in, like stuff like that. But overall, as a broker, I think they're excellent. The payment for order flow argument, I get why people don't like it, but I truly think that it's not payment for order flow that people are arguing against. I think it's the corruption that can take place surrounding payment for order flow that people don't like. Click, could you just, my last message real quick. Chris, if I can see it, man, I'm going to scroll up, saw it. Just wondering, what makes the cost to borrow go up again besides holding and buying? I want us to start building the pressure for the hedges. If there's anything else we can do. Yeah, Chris. So, cost to borrow is directly correlated with the utilization rate. Now, the utilization rate shows you how many shares are being utilized and how many are left to be lent out. So, as that utilization rate reaches 100, that's basically 100%. 100% of all the shares are being utilized at the moment. There's no more available to borrow. So, think of the cost to borrow basically like the price. It's a comparison between the supply and demand. That's what everything boils down to. So cost to borrow will go up if one of at least two things occurs. There are less shares available to borrow. That means the supply is being restricted. So if there's less shares available to borrow, somebody's going to have to pay a higher price to borrow those shares. How do you get to less shares available to borrow? One, if your share lending program is currently turned off, you can turn it off. If you get 1,000 shares, boom, that takes 1,000 shares off the market. If you got 100 shares, boom, that takes 100 shares off the market to be lent out. If it's already turned off, the more you buy, the less those shares will be lent out in the future, and that lowers the supply side. On the other hand, if more and more people are trying to borrow shares, like if you got a lot of short sellers coming out there, if you got a lot of people wanting to short AMC stock, then that's gonna be increasing the demand side. And as they increase demand, then they're competing with other people to borrow those shares, so they're gonna have to pay a higher price in order to borrow those shares. Now, of course, you can have any combination of those. If you have more people willing to borrow, but more people willing to lend, it kind of stays stagnant right in there. If you have more people borrowing and less people lending, boom, it shoots up even faster. So use that and kind of determine what combination of things is happening right now and how that affects the overall cost to borrow. But you are correct, man. As the cost to borrow increases, you get more and more likely to see that short squeeze happening, especially in the near term. Lex is FTX that tracks the New York Stock Exchange ticker. I don't think it's tradable. Good deal, M. James. And also, guys, here's the deal. M. James hit me up a little bit earlier. If you guys do not know the Masked Investor, so I take like an afternoon. The Masked Investor, he live streams, I believe it's like 11 to 4. And then I'm live streaming somewhere around, I don't know, 11-ish to 1-ish, and then 3-ish to 5-ish. So during the break, man, go chill out with the Masked Investor if you guys want to. Shout out to him, man. He's got some good content. I don't know if he's actually on screen. I think he's got a picture on screen right now, but he does a lot of AMC, a lot of good content. So make sure to check that out afterwards if you guys want to find some place to hang out during the 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock hour during the break before we come back. But absolutely, man, absolutely. Just build everybody's channels up. Build up the content, man. Just encourage everybody. You guys know this is all about encouragement, man. building each other up to continue holding, staying strong. You can get burned next time. Be careful. JB, Jose Risky Business. Yes, man, I might have missed it. I have to admit. Okay, last Thursday I sold 400 shares of AMC to buy DWAC, and today I bought back 600 shares of AMC after I sold DWAC with a nice profit. How about that? Jose, absolutely, man, absolutely. So that worked out great for you, right? And I feel like a lot of people did do that, and that may have been one of the reasons we saw AMC pulling back as these swing traders and day traders, kind of like yourself, right? If you're willing to jump out of a position and jump into another one, you may be a day trader. You may be a short-term swing trader. That may be one of the reasons we saw AMC pull back last week and go back down into the mid-36s. And hopefully everybody reacts the same way that you did. But here's the deal, man. AMC, it's a different beast than DWAC and Fund and Mark and all these other stocks that are running. If you do like choose to do that and you're trying to get into Mark today, or you're trying to get into DWAC or Fund or anything like that, you got to know one of two things, man. You could be selling directly back to the hedge funds when you do that, and therefore limiting the potential of the short squeeze, or even causing it to be delayed or not happen at all, because we need the short shares if we're going to short squeeze. So you run a risk. Clearly it worked out for you this time, but be careful. Later, Gator. Regular Potato, you leaving, man? I'll see you later. Why isn't he on screen anymore? JB, that I do not know. That I do not. Maybe M. James knows that. Did you know we are in the 4th end game with AMC now? Pretty serious. Yes, it is. Clear Road 2.5K to 40K subs. Infinite Zero. Let's get it, guys. If anybody wants to share the live stream right now, make sure to share the live stream. Hey, good place to share it, StockTwits. You know, I don't think you got many friends on StockTwits, right? And those messages move really quick. But, dude, share it on StockTwits. Get some people in here. I share the crap out of my videos on StockTwits, if you guys haven't noticed. Rob Lowen! Thank you for the super sticker. Rob's a little embarrassed. Rob, thank you. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Rob, for the super sticker, man. I appreciate that. I tried my best. I don't know how well that one did, but I tried my best. PSA, Prague looking like it's ready to set up a loan. Daily Bananas Sunday, short wide cup. Prague looking like it's ready to set up a loan. Daily Bananas Sunday. Daily Banana Sunday. Let's get a Daily Banana Sunday. Short wide cup. That's what it is. It's like a banana split, baby. Clay, is Fun gonna squeeze? MA, is Fun gonna short squeeze? Is Fun even shorted right now? Like, I don't know what the deal is. I follow you on StockTwits, Clay. Nice! Mr. Simon, you probably see that I share the crap out of my videos on there, right? Do you actually get notifications of followers on StockTwits? Of people you follow? Friday, call options looking weak. $40, 6.5 thousand, $37, 4.8 thousand, and $43 is 3,000. Might have to wait for Wednesday for covered calls. Yeah, Frank, not a bad idea then, man, because it seems like a lot of people aren't trading options this week. They must have, those options traders must be moving on to more volatile plays, like DWAC and, well, I don't even know if DWAC and Fun are optionable, but they might be moving where the volatility is at, and the volatility is definitely there. Hey, Clay, how important is the turnover for AMC? Well, we want low turnover, man, because we want people holding AMC. We don't want anybody buying and selling. We don't want them trading. I don't know what word I meant to type, but it wasn't alone. It's gonna look like it's looking like one of those alone banana days, man. I unfortunately have those alone banana days all too often, man. Not a good look. AMC looking like a drink of Dr. Pepper and 5 Mentos mints. Is that good or bad, dude? I don't even know what that means. I just did some DD over the weekend. A lot of secondary stocks that are gaining focus are a distraction. Do not lose focus. AMC to Uranus. Dang it. Yes, Mickey. So fine, man. Mickey's so fine. AMC is the play, but you are correct, dude. A lot of stuff is getting a lot of attention right now. DWAC has options. Matt, thank you very much, man. Does Fun have options as well? Do you guys know? 10 out of 10 on the sticker, Clay. Rob! What sticker? We get the Chipro sticker? Is that what you're talking about? Clay, utilization is 87%. We're shorted 18%, but how many days to cover are we currently at? 85 million shares. volume 36. So if you're using the 3-month moving average, if you're using the 3-month average for volume, it's roughly around 70, so like a day and a half. But if you're using current volume, we've been trading closer to like 35 to 40 million shares, so it would be more like 2 days, between 2 and 3 days to cover. Still not that great. It depends which number you're using. One is like a day to a day and a half, and the other one's going to get you 2 to 3 days. Alone Banana, that sounds like a discount code for, yes, a FUB subscription. It sure does, Devil's Advocate, I'm telling you. It's crazy. Thank you, Clay. I didn't think about hedge funds buying back those shares. Jose, well, man, food for thought, dude. Glad you made money, though. A DWAC about to explode 300 at the end of the week. Trump rallies to be announced. Very nice. Re-end of the 8. I do think. Listen. I think the DWAC's got potential still, based on the fact that people are really going to be buying it. I have turned off share lending for my Weeble users. Go to profit and loss, interest income, and opt out. Cavilo, yes. So if you go, basically, if you guys click that center button down at the bottom, you click that, you log into your trading account if you got to log in. And then you go to the second tab. I think that's your profit and loss. At least it's my second tab. And then you click on that. You go down to interest income. Click on it. It's going to show you whether or not you have any interest income. And then it's got like a very, very faint underlined part that says something. You click on that underlined part in the text. It's kind of hard to see that it's underlined. At least it's hard to see for me. You click on that, and you're going to be able to opt in or out if you want to. So it's completely up to you if you want to do it, but that's how you get there if you decide to do it. What was the SPRT run-up cause? Is it illogical to think Prague could have a similar action and hit around 50? I think that was short. I think that was shorts covering, right? I think SPRT was also a short squeeze play. It is not illogical to think that it could, especially knowing Prague's numbers. So if Prague starts to run, man, and then you get a good combination of people just talking about it all day long and wanting to jump into it along with shorts covering, Prague's got a 67% short interest or something like that. Cost to borrow is over 100%, at least the last time we checked. Utilization's almost at 100%, like 99.8 or 99.98% or something like that. So, yeah, it's not illogical to think that it could, but at the same time, man, remember, Prague's sitting around $3 per share. 20Xs are not commonplace. That is still an excellent move if it does hit that. So, don't be like, well, it's only hitting 50, so even if Prague goes to 20, I'm not going to take my profit. Remain conservative, but it's not illogical to think that it can't, or to think that it can do that. It's just not common. Did we squeeze yet? No, YOLO, you got it, man. Clay, how long do you think AMC is going to continue tightening in this bull flag on the daily? Yes, JB, exactly, man. So that's exactly where my line is. If we go back out to the daily chart, this bull flag that we've got right here, right? If we're, so it depends. If you're strictly looking at the bull flag and you're using this $30 base as your penning, I think it could possibly tighten into the beginning of the year based on this daily movement with the $30 base. If you use the overall trend line starting back here at the low of $1.91 and then following this action in here before we started consolidating sideways, the long-term daily upswing there that we had at the beginning of, well, kind of the beginning of February, but end of January all the way through April, and then we almost are tracking that to a T right here. Like the trend's almost continuing perfectly. If we follow that ascending trend line, I think we go into the mid-November where I got my lines crossing. I mean, somewhere in this range. That's in 11.16. It could be anywhere in there. So I'm calling mid-November. If those lines hold up, if we're back down into the low 30s, upper 20s, then I'm saying we could consolidate into the beginning of January here. Hopefully, we get the mid-November one, and then we break out. Otherwise, it could take a minute. And that's technical analysis, guys. That's not to say that that's exactly what's going to happen. That's not to say we're not going to get any news that's going to cause AMC to rocket higher or the shorts aren't going to go cover or anything like that. That's strictly based on those trend lines and where they intersect. Hold 500,000. Let's do it. Matt's legs. Matt's legs. We got some froggies in here. Oh, yes. Let's go, Brandon. I don't know who this Brandon guy is, but let's go, man. A big birdie, not a little one, a big one, told me that AMC will squeeze tomorrow. Nice, man. I'm that birdie. I'm that birdie. Utilization 99.89%, short interest free floats 66.04, cost to borrow 96.2, and Fintel #1 squeeze with no shares to borrow as of this morning. Yeah, with a 99.89% utilization, there's probably just a handful of shares left to borrow. So, dude, I don't think it's absurd to think that it could squeeze. I don't think that they're going to want to keep those short shares alive for very long with a 96% cost to borrow average. Oh, yes, mid-November is what I was thinking, too. Nice, JB. So, like I say, man, it's not going to be, like, set in stone. That's what has to happen. But that's where my lines intersect if we continue both of those trends. Clear, you should get ordained. You could have a lucrative side hustle. We're here to join this couple. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Maybe I should. What will happen if we still trade sideways after the pennant points? Is it bullish or bearish? Joan De Jesus. So if we continue to trade sideways after those two lines intersect, we could just be setting ourselves up for a new floor, new consolidation point. I don't know if it's necessarily bullish or bearish. It's just a continuation, and we're going to have to set up either a new trend line, a new ascending trend line, new descending trend line, or a new floor level with $36, $40, wherever we're at that point, being a very strong level of support. So I would say in that sense, it's bullish, but in the sense that we didn't break out, I mean, not necessarily bearish, but certainly not exciting. AMC testing 38, let's get it, man. Earnings plus Aaron's big news. I hear you on January, but I'm more optimistic for sooner. Absolutely, Matt. I'm optimistic for sooner than January too. The January, in my opinion, based on those technical intersections, is just kind of like not like an expect this type deal, but just calm. Like stay calm, stay calm. This is kind of what the chart is showing right now. But dude, with that being said, like nobody expected a run to $72 at the beginning of June, so anything can happen with AMC. Fact, Clay is already set up to marry Elizabeth and I. Devil's advocate. Fact, if you want me to, I could. Right now. If you want me to, I can. It's just whatever you guys want to do. I don't know if I have to be in your state or not, but if you want to make it happen, it can happen. What first time anyone's listening to me, I hope it works for you. What do you mean, dude? So, I'll listen to you all day long. We've seen 38.50 today. Thoughts? Nick, that would be the level that I want to test. I think that we could test 38.50 today. I hope we break through it as easily as we broke down through it when we gapped down on Friday. So I hope we break to the upside just as easy. If we don't, man, I think that 38.50 is significant enough that we got to get into it. Hi to all. Adria, hello. I came to get my dose of medicine. Clay, you were so upbeat, makes this sick old woman feel better. Good deal, Adria. I don't take pain meds, so today better and at work. Good deal. Glad you're in here. Yes, today's gonna be a good day. No pain medication needed. You're gonna have a good day, Adria. AMC and DWAC together strong. Trump's platform will let us share the AMC post and not shadow ban. Good deal, Jared. I don't like being shadow banned. A wrestler, you got prog because someone else told you to. Am I a joke to you, man? I'm not crying. You're crying. Shoot, man. It was you. You were the one that said get into prog. Moves happen when you least expect it. Adam, absolutely, man. My dog keeps staring at me with concern. Matt, what are we going to do? Comfort that dog, man. Comfort that dog. Thanksgiving N. We moon? We moon on Thanksgiving? I'll go for it. Do you think MNAT preferred shares has potential to go higher in price? DD214. Potential, yes. Probable, no. Preferred shares, and not all the time, right? But preferred shares rarely have big price swings, okay? You get into preferred shares because they typically pay a very nice dividend. So instead, and I don't know I don't know the dividend percentage on MMAT's preferred shares, but preferred shares are just that. They don't have any voting rights in a company, and they don't have the same capital appreciation potential as common stock does. So the offset of that is preferred shares typically pay a very nice dividend, and then as a, not reward, but as a replacement for not having any voting rights, if the company goes bankrupt, which I don't know if MS is going to go bankrupt or not, I don't know what their financials look like, but if they go bankrupt, the debtors get paid first, and then preferred shareholders get paid second, and then your common stockholders would get paid third. That's the hierarchy when it comes to filing for bankruptcy and paying your debt back, to your debtors back. So I highly doubt any preferred share has potential to really swing higher in price, but preferred shares pay nice dividends. Do you know what the dividend percentage is on MMAT's preferred shares there? Clip, my $4 investment in Red Floki has doubled in value, but my Baby Moon Floki is not doing so well. Nice, JB. Nice. JB, how hard was it to get Red Floki, man? Ken Griffin is, oh, you like Ken Griffin. Okay, Michael, no problem. Not a lot. You don't have to like him. If the shorts have to cover, when would be the best time for them? Is there a situation that maximizes their control over the squeeze, keeping retail out? Starbase, not necessarily like a specific date, but yes, if they were willing to cover, they would want to do so, one, at the lowest price possible, because they have to go out and buy those shares, so they want to buy them for as low as possible. And two, if they spread that out, if they don't increase the demand, if they don't increase that hype by going out and covering a lot of them at the same time, then the price can stay steady. And as the price stays steady, it's going to be better off for them. Unless, of course, they can go out and cover all of them at the same time if they want by putting it through the dark pool, and then we're not going to know about how many orders came through until the orders are all done with. But then you got that to worry about them. Fun is free. Dude, Wrestler's fun ripping right now. Are we having some fun and fun? Wrestler back in the positive. Let's see what's going on with fun. He says freaking ripping. It's up 2%. Nice, man. Nice. Fun is ripping right now. Yes, Wrestler. Go grab some. I got 300 MMLT. Rob, is that MMAT's preferred share ticker, or is that a different one, man? I'm not exactly sure what that is. My bad. MMTLP. Yeah, Wrestler says, psych! Thanks, Wrestler. I appreciate that, man. I was really happy for you, dude. I thought you were going to be making some sick money. DWAC's not doing too bad. DWAC's ripping. They're up back above $102 right now. Nice. Shiba sitting steady at 38.50. My goodness, man. Shiba Inu Coin. You guys want to make some money? AMC's the opportunity. Heck yeah. Thank you. I only have 33 at DD214. Very nice. 33 is better than nothing, man. AMC should give 38.50 a couple test tickles. A hungry chair. It should give it a couple test tickles. Yes, it should. Said it looked dumb and court was adjourned until tomorrow morning. Well, dude, I'm glad they looked dumb. So it didn't seem to last very long. Found out about the Torchlight MMAT from Sterling Stocks. Actually happy I found out about him. Well, good deal, Rob. You making some money? I got a bunch of MMTLP also, but I have no idea what to do with it. Just so I'm on the same page, that is MMAT's preferred share ticker, right? Guys, if you have preferred shares, typically, and is that the preferred share beforehand? But typically, if you got your hands on some preferred shares, you're just going to be better off holding those longer term. I'm going to be completely honest. And I don't know what the dividend percentage is on those, but you're going to be better off just kind of setting those aside and let those produce some passive income for you. The court hearing is about as long as GME's earnings call. Nice, man. Solid 15 minutes of nothing but excitement. Rob, okay, gotcha. Thank you very much, Rob. Click, see my previous response on the Red Floki. JB, I don't think it's a lawsuit court. It's just a squeeze. JB, do you think? Oh, I thought I saw that. JB, your Floki's running, right? Is that the one? Yeah. Yeah, you're red Floki, man. You're about to 4,000x on that bad boy. Heck yeah. I saw that though. I saw that comment, didn't I? Or did I miss another one? Previous response on the red Floki. I'm scrolling back up, but I don't see another message from you. I don't think a lawsuit or court case is going to cause a squeeze. And before that is the one about the baby moon Floki not doing so well. Right? No, after that. JB, I don't think that comment came through, man. I think that comment got hidden or something because it goes straight from your red Floki is doubled, and then the next comment that I see is I don't think a lawsuit or court case is going to do something. It's going to cause a squeeze. There's no comment in between there. Oh, there's no comment in between that. At least that I can see. It must have been hidden. Check out PBTS for a swing. You're welcome. Kelby! Thank you. PBTS, guys. If you want a nice swing trade, PBTS. Go for it. Is anyone else getting buzzing sound from his mic? You guys get a buzzing sound? Sometimes people tell me that I sound like Optimus Prime, so I don't know. It could be 314 watch, 150 likes. Smash the like button. Make it so fun. Thank you. Guys, 314 watch. We got 300 watching right now. Like, let's go. 300 likes. What are you doing? JB's not Bob Saget. Come on now. I'm up 300% on a few coins. Very nice, Aurora. Making some serious money. I love it. AMC currently back down a little bit from the intraday high of 37.85. Trading at 37.25 right now. Back down to this level of, well, kind of a level of support we got in right here. If we come back down to the $37 range, that's probably a better level of support for the day. But AMC doing very well. Shiba Inu holding very steady in the mid-38s. Prague up 14%, destroying it at $3.40 today. What did Prague top out at? Is it kind of around the day's high? Yeah, 348. Anybody else besides Devil's Advocate in Prague? Moving very nice for you guys. My goodness gracious. My goodness gracious. Grandpa Barney! Thank you for the super chat, Grandpa Barney. Grandpa, working a storm in Olympia State Capitol. Love you all. Stay strong. Buy the dip. Hold, baby, hold. Clay is so good at pumping up. He could fill up an Earth Mover tire. I'm buying more. Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. Good deal, man. And look, you work a lot, Grandpa Barney. I hope that you really enjoy what you're doing because you put in a lot of time, a lot of effort. And I don't know if they realize how just truly, well off they are that they have you working for them, man. That is incredible. Hopefully you guys get everything taken care of with the storm that went through there, and you guys are good to go, man. And thank you very much for the super chat. We love our grandpa. Absolutely, Frodo. You know we do. Lots of Prague long calls and shares here. Nice, Kelby. When did you? You don't have to tell me when you got in if you don't want to, man. But you got to be making money right now. I'm in Prague. AMC Trappers in Prague. Heck yeah. Niniwaka's in the house. What's up, Niniwaka? Prague retested 348 coming soon, and she'll pass it. Matt, very good. AMC Trapper, what's up, man? Peace out to all the diamond-handed apes out there. GB. I don't know what GB is. Buy the rip, sell the dip. Buy the rip and sell the dip. Wrestler, you got a very interesting strategy there. I like it, dude. Does it work out for you? My UEC has been doing okay. It's very slow, but I'm happy with it. Hatchback, very good. Party at Clay Bros' house. M. James, let's do it, man. Nice. Someone else is in the PNW. M. James, what's up, man? Shout out to you. Also, my penny stock Yuka went up 100% today. I wouldn't recommend anyone buy it, though. Hatchback. Hatchback's killing it, man. 100%, just making sick money. $100.85 average. Destroying it, Kelby. I love it. Everybody saying hello to M. James out there. Very good. And yes, M. James, everybody's going to hang out with the Masked Investor during the break today. They're going to go over to his stream, man, and then, the Masked Investor ends his stream. We can bounce back and forth like tennis, baby. Aloha. Shayna Husaka. Aloha. Aloha. Kakiaka. Shayna, how are you? Aloha kako. Mahalo hall for being here. I just saw David Hasselhoff in a Pluto TV commercial. I don't know what's worse. They could only get the Hoff, or he needs money to be in these commercials for crap-free TV channels. Like, just get a regular job. No, man, a regular job? Why would he do that? I expect to see you all showing your community some love in TMI's chat later. Clay and TMI are homies. Boom, man. We're homies, for sure. Homies. Although I don't know where his home is, we are homies. Yes, facts. Throw the chipmunks over there, too. I'm in Prague. Mr. Anything Tech, very nice. Is earnings on November 1st? Protein. Actually, I do not know when the earnings date is. I'm going to have to look that up afterwards. What happened at the hearing? Grandpa Barney. I don't know. So, at the hearing, I guess it was very short today, and they're reconvening tomorrow morning. They're done for the day. Nice long day for them. Jeez, Tesla keeps ripping. Dude, is Tesla sitting at like $1,000 a share now? What is Tesla doing? I was wondering about that, but I forgot to look at it this morning. Oh my god, it is at $1,000 a share. I was just joking. I was just joking when I said $1,000 a share. Holy crap. Guys, how do you feel that a year and a half ago, let's go on a weekly chart so you guys can see a year. How do you feel that like a year and a half ago, you could have got this bad boy for $40, and Tesla is currently sitting at almost $1,000 a share? Incredible. My gosh. Look at these last 3 weeks, man. From 786 all the way up to 986, gaining $200 in the last 2 weeks. Golly bomb, man. DWAC rolling 101, PBIG 549, Virgin Galactic $20. Shiba still sitting at 38.60, right there in the middle. Prague 33.37, and AMC $37.16. Nice downtrend. AMC, time for you to come back up. Tesla gap on the daily, guys. I'm telling you, $985. It's about to test $1,000 per share. PSA. Trey's Lamp is streaming right now and has twice as many people as us. PSA. Devil's Advocate, go tell him to come over here and hang out with us, man. They can go watch Trey's lava. He doesn't even have a lava lamp. He's just got a regular lamp. Tell those dudes to just come here and hang out with us for a minute, and then they can go back. Like, just a minute. It'll be okay. Yo, I heard you shout out my boy TMI. Had to stop by. Shimu. Thank you, Shimu. Appreciate that. Absolutely. Zella's running. Hey, wrestler. How you doing? Clay, bro. I have a strong feeling that's what is going to AMC. This squeeze is going to happen over the next year, slowly but surely. Hey, Mini Ape, if it does, man, I am not opposed to that, right? If AMC just slowly moves up and we're slowly moving our, like we go from $40 to $985, like, great. Great, man. I'm not in a hurry. I want it to happen, but I want it to happen regardless of how it happens. Can we look at fun for a minute, please? Yes, Raheem, we can check that out. Give me 2 seconds. Will AMC be the last true MOAS? Do you expect regulation after the squeeze? This will be the last chance for generational wealth building? Starbase. No, this isn't going to be the last chance for generational wealth building, man. I think that, I don't know. I mean, never mind. I don't think this is going to be the last chance we have for generational wealth building. Fun. Sitting at $8.67 right now. Very volatile candle here, up to $9.15, back down to $8.67. Interesting candle they got going on there. Overall, kind of moving sideways on the day, bouncing back and forth between $8.90 and $8.60. Kind of a relatively tight channel, but down big from this morning where we were sitting at $12.33. So if you guys are in fun, sure, it's a dangerous play, but it absolutely has potential to do anything. So I wouldn't discount it just yet, just because you might be down a little bit. Mark rolling today, sitting at $4.24. Dude, pre-market, we were at $9.85. So did anybody get into Mark this morning? If you got in Mark this morning, maybe before the the rip up, or if you got in during regular hours. I want you guys to make some money. So if you got in, we can keep looking back at that and see what it's doing. But let's man, she was just not moving. She was sitting sideways today. She was sitting sideways, kind of like AMC, just not too exciting at the moment. I didn't want to paper hand AMC. Raheem, we will not paper hand AMC. Obviously, I want the squeeze to happen as soon as possible, but I see it. The longer we play the dip and the rip game, I'll be hitting a lick on the shares. Nice, man. I'll keep hitting a lick on the shares. Keep doing it, man. Trace what? I miss Trace. It blows my it blows my mind how many people will watch a lamp all day. It definitely helps the retail is dumb narrative. Yes, it does. Oh my goodness. They could watch me though, and then they could go back to the lamp too. Like, just come hang out with us. It's just a lamp. They love that lamp, man. Look, I even got a lamp, and this lamp moves. Like, tell them about my lamp. Chris, maybe he's maybe more of a legend over here because of the Berlin Wall and TV shows here, though. Okay, could be. You better throw Portillo's on that list. You know what Chipotle did. Portillo's is going to do the same thing because they are doing a massive expansion. It's the best quick food run. Mr. Anything, I've never had their food. What's their ticker symbol? I can throw it up on that list. Maybe we can keep checking it. I'm for Rip Play. Favors Vold. I'm for Rip Play too, man. Oh my gosh, look at Tesla, man. Just look at it. Fatima, we did just look at it, dude. Sitting at $985. We're sitting at $985, $992 right now. Rolling, man. We're gonna touch $1,000 today on Tesla. Tesla's gonna touch $1,000 today. You guys want to watch it touch 1,000? I mean, we can watch it touch 1,000 if you want. No, come on. How hard is it to put this at exactly 1,000? Making me look dumb in front of all my friends here. Come on, Weeble. There. $1,000. We can watch Tesla hit $1,000 for the first time in history. That'll be nice. Clay's Lamp's dad could beat up Trey's Lamp's dad. 100. For sure, man. For sure. This lamp is hot, man. Happy Monday, you sexy mofos. Lauren, look, smoking in that Claybro Darling hoodie. Mr. Normus, thank you very much. And I would agree. I don't know if Lauren is in here right now, but she did look very nice in that Claybro Darling hoodie. Tesla doesn't have criminals pushing it down every time it progresses, but I'm aware it's just not them pushing it down. Yes, yes, yes. And Tesla's going to be rolling with $1,000 here. We got to see this PTLO. Okay, remind me of PTLO in a second. I'm going to watch this lamp on, lamp off, lamp on, lamp off. AMC 1K, Patrick, definitely possible. Chipotle ticker is CMG. If Chipotle can do this, then for sure AMC can too. Heck yeah, EVGO. I feel like this is going to rip all-time highs. Quinn, electric vehicle, know what that is? I didn't test it over 1,000 before the last split. Frodo. I don't think. I think the previous high, man, was 890 something. I think it was 890. 996 rolling. Come on, Tesla. Do some work. There Zella goes, guys. Now Zella's moving too. Man, you guys are just killing it. Lauren in a Claybro hoodie? Not possible. She isn't real. She's unreal, man. I also agree. Lauren is unreal. Auction us to 1,000. Let's go. Guys, we need AMC hit 1,000. Listen to me. That's how much I want to see AMC hit 1,000. Auction Clay. Let's get it. We're sitting right here at $992.89, $993.05, $993.24, $992.20. Okay, we got to see here. We got to pull this back up. Let's get it. We're going to go with $1,000. I see $1,000. Anybody get $1,000 out there? We're sitting at $993.26 right now, $993.26. We need a big green candle on the chart right here. All we got to do is $7 more, $7 more, $7 more. Guys, we got $7 more on the chart. We're going to hit $1,000 per share on Tesla. We don't need to trade sideways right now. We need some buying pressure to come in here. We need $1,000 per share on Tesla, guys. $992.50, $992.50. 250. You guys are going in the wrong direction. We need 993. We need 993. If we're going to hit 999, we get 999. Anybody got 999 out there? I'm sitting here. I'm trying to sell Tesla for 993 right now. 99250, 99250, 99230, 99230. Dipping down. We're going to go back down to 990. We're going to test those 990s and bounce off that support level. This could take all day, man. If we go $1,000 in Tesla, we could go all day with this. There's no end. There's no end. Like, we could be sitting here at 990 at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There's no end. Like, we need an end if we're going to hit 1,000 on Tesla. Is Mark having a fun? Yes, David. Mark is having fun today. I like the puns, man. Wasn't Tesla like 25? I don't think Tesla was at 2,500. But listen, guys, I could be wrong, but I don't think so. Chipotle, I've heard it said both ways, which is correct. It sounds like Chipotle or Chipotle? Oh, dude, I don't think it's Chipotle. It's crazy. It's Chipotle. No hat. Clay's auctioning sales. No hat, man. No hat. Gotta get to work. I wanted to leave my daily like and wish everyone a profitable Monday. Quinn! Thank you. Enjoy your day. If you gotta work, you gotta work. Go have some fun doing it, and we will definitely be here. I don't know. We're gonna be here until the normal 1 o'clock, and then we're gonna come back at 3. So if you get some time to come back, come back. I get thirsty just from listening. Gabby, I think that's a good thing, right? Before the split, it was. Danny, thank you very much for confirming. Dan the man, not quite that high. It hit 2073. Mini Ape, thank you. Fun is making me fall asleep. Check the 5-minute, please, Clay. Fun making everybody fall asleep. Fun, you should not fall asleep on fun, guys. That's a dangerous move if you fall asleep on fun. Because as soon as you wake up, you could just be completely different. 5-minute on fun, just kind of trading sideways, right? Pretty boring. But you guys know, look at this. Look at this 5 minutes here. Out of nowhere, you could just drop ridiculously. You could spike ridiculously. So, no sleeping on fun, okay? Oh, Tesla's going to do it. Tesla's going to do it. We got them green candles coming in. Tesla's going to hit 1,000. Chipotle sucks. Food, I mean. I don't think it's that bad. I don't think their food's that bad. I don't eat them too often, but I don't think it's bad when I do eat them. Chipotle is overvalued in my opinion. Tesla seems undervalued still. I may be incorrect, but I thought that... Oh my god, what the heck is that lady with the Ark Invest? What the heck's that lady's name with Ark Invest? Why can I not think of it? Well, okay, I don't know. Whatever ladies with the Ark Invest, I think she put a $3,000 valuation on Tesla per share. I don't know why I can't think of her name right now. Yes, Kathy Wood. Thank you. Thank you. Sharon. Thank you, Sharon. I think she put a $3,000 valuation on Tesla before. Which is kind of crazy to think about, but shoot, man. Let's go. Kathy. Yes, Kathy. Fun is fun. Sid says fun is fun. Italian beef sandwich from Portillo's is sounding pretty good right now. Hungry chair. Yeah, I am sitting hungry in this chair. Anything with beef in it sounds pretty good right now, dude. Any kind of sandwich, any kind of food. I'm hungrier than I should be. I need to eat after this stream. I don't know what I'm going to eat, though. Let's go, Tesla. Rolling, man. Rolling. We got this. We got this. 996, 996, 70, 996, 80, 996, 997, 997, 997, 997. Let's go. 997, 23, 997, 23. A little bit of a run. 97, 30, 997, 30, 997, 40, 997, 40, 997, 30. We're going to hit $1,000 per share on this kind right here. Let's go. Tesla. All you got to do is another $2.50. Let's go. Tesla, $2.50. You get $1,000 per share. This is exciting, guys. I want to see. This is going to be the same thing for AMC one day. He's going to be the same thing for AMC. We're going to be sitting here, going to say AMC, $1,000. Yes, Tesla, 997, 997, flat, 997, 68, 996, 63. And it's pulling back a little bit. It's just getting me. It's just getting me. And it's making me nervous because it knows it wants to hit it, but it keeps pulling back. Check out my AMC stock and split it between SHIB and Tesla. What do you think about that move? Thanks. Blazing. I think that AMC has more potential than Shiba and Tesla, but hopefully you're making some money, man. 997.75. Let's go, Tesla. Clicking his AMC practice in Pringleton. Exactly, man, because when AMC's trading at $1,000 per share, I'm going to need to be on my game because the entire world is going to be watching. Portillo's number 5 with the sausage and beef with a milkshake and a whole chocolate pie. Dang, Mr. Anything Tech. Sounds good. I need some of that. Never had it before. Tesla going to have auto sales at 1,000 though? Maybe. We need something going on here. I guarantee if it hits 1,000, there's probably a slight pullback. There's probably a lot of people sitting there waiting to take their profit at 1,000. Mr. Anything Tech, it's definitely a cake. Pie, cake, I don't know what you guys are talking about, but let's get started. AMC is going to be so much more violent, though. Yeah, low con, most likely, unless it runs super slow. Dude, it's going to blow past 1,000. Let's go. Banana Man says there's no take profit set at 1,000. He says that once it hits 1,000, it's blowing right beyond. Let's see what happens, guys. And I mean chocolate cake, Portillo's. Oh, chocolate cake. Yeah, chocolate pie, chocolate cake. Let's get it. Price action is going to be a roller coaster ride like never seen before. People are going to be flying off that roller coaster left and right. Maybe even $9.99 because of expecting that. Dude, it's possible. Ooh, we're running 998.45, 998.55, 998.55. Guys, we're in here right now. This is getting exciting. We're going to touch $1,000 on this candle right now. It's rolling, it's rolling, it's rolling, it's rolling. 998.45, 998 flat, 997.88, 997.88, 997.71, 63, 54, 50, 50, 50, 30, 20, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60. Flat down. It's red again right now. We got to run, guys. We got to run. 998.20, 998.20. We're going for 1,000 on this candle right here. Get some action, guys. We need a big green candle. Another $1.50. We got $1,000 per share on Tesla. 998.35. It is rolling, it's rolling. It's rolling, it's rolling, it's rolling. 998 flat, 998.12. Oh my goodness, Tesla, just make a move. 998, you can do it. Somebody put a buy order in for $1,000 on Tesla, please. I want to see it reach it. Let's go. Tesla's currently had 31 million shares traded today. Insane volume, knowing that its 3-month average volume is 18 million shares, more than double the shares traded today. Now we got a red candle pulling us back a little bit, touch 1,000 and back to 950. It could, man. I like cake. I'm hungry. I like cake, but I need some substance in me. I can't do cake right now. That wouldn't do anything for me. I need actual food. I like the redheads. Good deal, man. Mr. Anything Tech, redheads are good. Oh my gosh. Hilarious, you rock, Clay. Mickey, we're going to get it, man. We're going to get 1,000. It's cool. Yeah, Beversville, we're going to hit 1,000 on Tesla. I don't know why it's got to pull back when we get to 990 like that. It's nonsense, man. It's nonsense. But I guarantee you, as soon as I move the chart and like go back to AMC or pull up DWAC or any of these other stocks, it's going to spike. I know it will. I know it's going to spike as soon as I do that. Oh my gosh. I don't think my $50 will help. Beversvold, I don't know if it will or not, man. Let them eat cake. Yeah, you guys can eat cake if you want to eat cake, but I need actual food. Portillo's over at Wendy's, Mr. Anything Tech? Oh, for sure. I mean, I don't even know what Portillo's is, but I would say over Wendy's, yes. People joining in the chat, expecting AMC thing, and Mo asked when we see 1,000. Yeah, Pringleton, that would be a little bit confusing, wouldn't it? Clear, bro. Lots of people got screwed by hedgies pumping all these stocks pre-market and dumping them in the market open. AMC is the way. Calvary Hispanic Church, I do believe that AMC is the way. I think that a lot of people are going to be making a lot of money on AMC, but hopefully they know the risk associated with buying some of these runners that are running pre-market, and then it could drastically change when the market opens. Take one for the team and short Tesla so it'll moon. The devil's advocate, good deal, man. Good deal. We need you. We need somebody to take one for the team. If it's going to be you, it's going to be you, man. You volunteers tribute. I love Tesla so much. I just wish I could have gotten in cheaper. Excited about Starlight IPO. Got to get in while you can fit it. Oh, where you can fit it. Rob. Yeah, man. Got to get in where you can fit it. Heck yeah. Let's see. Been here since December, $6 average. I've been cool, calm, and collected. Cavilo, very nice. What is that? 2 cars? I don't even know what you're talking about. Tesla had a $100,000 car order from Hertz. There's no way they ordered 100,000 cars. 100,000 cars. There's no way they ordered that. That's a lot of cars, man. What would Hertz need 100,000 cars for? They don't even have that many locations, do they? Hertz just filed bankruptcy like 2 years ago, right? Lucid is going to Moon 2. 100,000 cars? I feel like that's a lot of cars for a rental car company. Especially with all the cars that they already have. Yes, there is. M. Paramount. Yes, there is what? It's true. Oh my gosh, dude, 100,000 cars? That's a lot of cars. My gosh, Hertz orders 100,000 Tesla Model 3s. And then signs Tom Brady for an electric vehicle-focused ad campaign. What is Tom Brady going to do for an electric vehicle ad campaign? Oh my gosh, man. Sign me for an electric vehicle ad campaign. I can do the same thing. Drive an electric vehicle. Not that hard. 100,000 Tesla Model 3s for their fleet. My goodness. How does... Hertz must have restructured or something because they filed bankruptcy like 2 years ago. I thought it meant $100,000. A banana, man. That would be like 2 cars, man. Tom Brady. Good call. Good call for your electric vehicle ad campaign there. It's probably going to cost you a pretty penny. Synthetic clay. Yeah, man. I'll tell you to drive a synthetic car. It's deflate the tires. Boom! Roasted. That was him, right? I don't watch baseball. Devil's advocate. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. I don't watch baseball either. Must have been Tom Brady that deflated the baseballs there. They deflated the basketballs. Tom Brady's the GOAT. People like the GOAT. People would like me saying go buy an electric vehicle too. My grandma bought a $20,000 Tesla at $20 a share before it passed away last year. Grandma is in a home and just recently discovered it. Netted $900,000 is now set for life. Mini. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Your grandpa killed it. He understood the assignment. Your grandpa, he definitely understood the assignment. All right, well, as Tesla pulls back here a little bit, we can go back to AMC, see what they got going on. Prague sitting very nicely at 340 right now. CEI kind of around $1.48. Sundial 67 cents, and AMC 37.20. Let's get a little bounce here, AMC. Come on, don't lead me astray. We need a bounce from you today. We need you to make good on your promise to moon soon. Moon soon. Let's see. Brady plays sports ball, so general public is interested in what he has to say. He plays sports ball, man. I want to play sports ball. There's a synthetic clay in the chat. Oh, Pringleton. I did not see the synthetic clay in the chat. My bad. Didn't Tom just hit 600th home run? Yes, Tom hit his 600th home run, man. And they celebrated with a penalty kick. Tom Brady is an old man. So am I. He didn't understand the assignment. He wrote it, Mini Ape. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah. Grandpa didn't just understand it. He wrote the assignment. AMC bouncing back pretty nicely here. $37.29, rolling higher. So we go down 20% last week, but we are fighting for 2%. Louis. Crazy, isn't it? We'll get there, though. We'll get there. Can you do something for us new people who may have made mistakes getting into this? Not to tell us what to do, but give us our options. I purchased in options that will expire in March of 2022. Options. PDB. So, yeah. I don't know when you purchase those options, if you're profitable or not profitable on them right now. But if you're concerned about your options, you do have a couple options on what you can do with them. Number one, you can let them roll. You can just sit there and watch to see what AMC does. As the price of AMC goes up, your options should also go up in price. Now you can decide to wait and then exercise those options if they are above your strike price. I also don't know what your strike price was. If they're sitting above your strike price, you can exercise those options and you can buy those shares of AMC at whatever your exercise or your strike price is. Or, if it's rolling up in price and it's moving higher, you can sell those options just like you would a regular stock and take the profit that you would have on those options. If you don't want to buy at least 100 shares of AMC, I would recommend you selling your options for a profit. Or, you have a third option, which is just cutting your losses. If you think that AMC is going to continue moving down, if you wait until January, February, and March is approaching, and you're losing, I don't know, let's say 20% on your options, and you don't want to lose the entire premium, you can go ahead and you can sell those for a loss, and therefore they won't expire worthless. They're just going to, you're going to cut your losses on those. So you still have plenty of options left on your options. It's just whatever you think is going to work out best for you. At least you have plenty of time left before the expiration date. Mr. Tom throws ball well, which means he's a car expert, just like Shaq. Has anyone else noticed that dude will advertise anything and everything? Saw him on a printer ad at Office Max. That dude will advertise anything and everything. And he advertises, what is that? General auto insurance. He was even on that for a while. I don't know if he's on there anymore, but how does the General slogan go? Something called the General now. He was on that one. I don't even know how that one goes. I don't even know how that slogan goes anymore. All I remember is like, call the General now. Shaq was on that too. And he used to do like Gold Bond lotion or Gold Bond powder or whatever. Yeah, he's been on everything, man. Shaq does Papa John's pizza too. Shaq's in everything, man. Shaq probably owns like so many shares of everything out there. His DYW Fun Crowd is getting good. Rob, yes it is. Shaq, did everyone listen to the court hearing today? I did not. That IX murdered Citadel. Good deal, man. Shaq is a business genius. He has a stake in so many companies. Extremely diversified. Shaq is killing it. Shaq also understood the assignment. He probably owns Tesla, too. Tesla sitting at 989. Nice little pullback. So close to 1,000. My goodness. So close to 1,000. 998.74. A little bit of a pullback. We could be testing 1,000 again here pretty soon on Tesla. Shiba moving up a little bit right now. 39.15, 39.14. Prague 338, back down 2 cents from what it was a minute ago. AMC 37.21 with a slight pullback over the last 3 minutes. Basketball is a side hustle for Shaq. Yes, it is. What does Shaq need basketball for? Nothing. He's got diversification out the wazoo. We will decide what's the best platform for Shiba. I plan on buying a ton more this week. Binance, Coinbase. Yeah, we will decide. So if you plan on buying a ton, I think Binance is fine. I think Coinbase is fine. I don't know if you could just buy like directly through Trust Wallet or anything like that. But I know it's very easy to do on Binance. I would assume very easy to do on oh my gosh, Coinbase. I don't know any other like very popular platform that's got it right now. And I guess it also depends too, Nini, if you're looking to buy it and hold it in an actual wallet where you can transfer it to cold storage if you want, or transfer it to any wallet address, you're going to need to use a platform like Binance or like Coinbase. If you just want to trade it and you don't want to worry about all the wallets and stuff like that, I mean, I think Weeble's probably going to be better for you if you want to trade it as opposed to just sit there and hold it or transfer it to cold storage. Probably need to buy on Binance and transfer to Trust Wallet. Yeah, most likely. I don't know if you could do it just through Trust Wallet or not. I never even looked. Let's see. Yeah, Coinbase. I don't know if just regular Coinbase, but it's definitely on Coinbase Pro. So I know you can get it on Coinbase because they give you Shiba for signing up on Coinbase too. Real talk! If it gets put on Robinhood, I'd buy it there. It's easy to use and has better fills, but I promise almost everyone would disagree with me on that. Dude, I don't know. I don't think they... I think people just don't like Robinhood in general, so I don't think they... but I don't know if Robinhood's going to list it anytime soon. A lot of that stuff is hype. I want option for wallet. Thank you. Absolutely, Nini. Coinbase does have it. Pringleton, very nice. You can buy it on Trust Wallet, but they charge an extra fee and a minimum of $50. Nobody likes extra fees, man. We want no fees. It's on Coinbase and Pro. Hatchback, thank you very much. Good morning, my fellow apes. Good morning to you, Marky. How you doing, man? Probably need to... Okay, saw that. Shiba on Coinbase. Good deal, JB. Cold storage. Is crypto supposed to be refrigerated? Yeah, man. Crypto takes a lot of heat. You need to refrigerate your crypto at times if you want to. But that just means like not on an exchange. So you can put it on your desktop if you want. You can put it on one of those little like thumb drive wallets if you plan on traveling and you need to walk around with your crypto in your pocket. You can do all that good stuff. You got to run. See you in the afternoon. Peace out, JB. Enjoy the afternoon, man. We will see you guys in a couple hours. Voyager wallet. Voyager uses wallets. You can send stuff in and out. I've moved a little bit of very good. Mr. Anything Tech, thank you. So the court went good on our favor. Luca, yeah, that's what people are saying, man. I was not listening to it, but it does seem to be that way. Morning Clay from windy Washington. Let's go, Brandon. Morning from not windy, but cloudy and gloomy Ohio. Hopefully windy Washington is doing okay today. Thanks, everyone. Absolutely, Nini. JB, how BC on Coinbase? For me, it says it isn't supported. Oh, JB, how? Because on Coinbase, it says for me it isn't supported. Latrell, are you in the U.S.? Because I know it's on Coinbase. I know it's on Coinbase. They give you free Shiba on Coinbase for taking those quizzes or tests or whatever you want to call them. EVGO is looking good. Nice, Cavilo, making some money. Clay, how would you explain what crypto is? How would I explain what crypto is? In the simplest form possible, crypto. Oh man, I don't think you can really explain crypto in a simple form, but crypto is based on a blockchain, okay? And blockchain is basically like, think of a blockchain kind of like a notebook, okay? And then every page is almost like a ledger, and each ledger is every transaction in the underlying coin. If you're using like Bitcoin, for example, each page is like a ledger, and then each ledger contains the transactions of that underlying coin, in this case, Bitcoin. Now, as you flip the page, every time you flip the page, it's like the miners are completing that ledger there. When they discover that code, they verify and flip the page to the next one. And they're doing it at a very fast pace. But as that's happening, they're verifying every single transaction that takes place. Boom, booking it, flipping the page. Boom, booking it, flipping the page. And the actual notebook has unlimited pages. So it's not like you have to worry about it. The overall blockchain is just unlimited pages. So people want it. They want to buy Bitcoin because of the demand that's associated with it. Other people want it, therefore they want it, and it's also something that is verified. It's something that's been proven to be safe at this point, and as more and more people decide to jump on board, that increases the value, and also as more and more people decide to transact in it, the page, that ledger, fills up with more and more information. Not very easy to explain, but it would probably be a little bit better if you asked a less general question than explain crypto. Because explain why crypto has value could be a better question. A lot of things could go into that would be like better to answer than just to explain crypto in general. Because that's a tough one. Yes, I'm in the U.S. Latrell, interesting. It says it's unavailable for you then? I don't know. Maybe UK, I don't think it's different. I'm in the UK here, Latrell. Maybe that's why. It could be, but I mean, I've seen it available on Coinbase before. Crypto is cash without taxes, since you won't have to realize the gains if you can use it to purchase items. Cash without taxes. It's its own currency in that form. If you can use it to buy items, then yes, it would be a taxless cash until they decide that they're going to tax this on unrealized gains. When friends ask about crypto, I say it is digital money. It technically is digital money, right? Digital money that you can spend, or depending on what coin, can't spend somewhere. Almost a digital asset could be a little bit better of an explanation on some of the coins that can't be used to purchase things. Can everyone stop tagging me? Yes, crypto. You certainly do like it when CR is put together, right? I have to find cryptocurrency is a price for energy per time. Cavilo, yes, also a way that you could look at it, knowing that the miners out there are using energy in order to verify each transaction. I'm in the UK, and I have no problems getting crypto, and Bojo ain't getting my pounds. Good, Felix. We don't want the Bojo getting your pounds, man. Okay, keep your hands off my quid. You got a honeydew list. See y'all later. Hodl Apes. Mickey, man. See you at the 3 o'clock stream. We'll be here. I purchased it on Coinbase. AMC Trapper. Good deal, man. Thank you for letting us know. I know that it's available on Coinbase. I don't know why it would not be available for Latrell there. That's kind of weird that it would be available for some and not available for others. Yes, Latrell in New York. Oh, yo. Latrell, you're in New York? Is that what you're saying? Okay. Yeah, so New York doesn't allow people to buy crypto, apparently. So that would be why, Latrell. The New York City, and I believe all of New York State, from what people are telling me, has crypto laws restricting your ability to buy crypto. Target for today for AMC, Fatima, 3850 is my target, man. I want to start messing around with that 3850 level again. See you later, Clay. Good looking, my brother. Heck yeah, level, Mr. Simon. We'll get 2 minutes left. It's gonna be all right. For sure. It's going to be all right. Bye, Simon. Insane. Jennifer, it is insane, isn't it? We're still sitting at $37.11 per share right now. $37.09 per share. I think, look, we bounced off this line down here at 37. We did it again down here. This is going to hold up, hopefully, as a level of support today. And then we'll bounce off of it, and hopefully we'll be back in the 38s here when we come back from lunch. I would love a nice run up to the 38s for lunchtime. That would be very good looking, in my opinion. Nice run to 38 for the lunchtime break. Oh, good, my bro. Peter, thank you very much. Well, there you go. Mark pumping genius today. Go check that out. Have a nice lunch. Thank you very much, Jennifer. It is 1 o'clock, guys, so we will be breaking for lunch right now. I am definitely hungry. I hope you guys are hungry, too. You go out and grab some lunch. Enjoy it. We'll be back in a couple hours. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Get your names down in the chat below. Let's get some shout-outs going. Make sure to click the links in the description below. And, guys, Webull has a promotion going on for Shiba right now. Any deposit, you're going to get 2 free stocks. Just make a $1 crypto trade, and they're going to give you $5 in Shiba Inu coin. So even if you deposit $1, you're going to get 2 free stocks, and then you're going to get another $5 in Shiba if you buy $1 worth of any crypto. So make sure to check that out if you guys want some Shiba, if you want some free stocks. Links in the description below for all that good stuff. Let's get these shout-outs going with Latrell. I'm cool. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom. Dabbing on them like always. Peter, Mel V. I'm Sem something. Take care, guys. Felix, thanks for hanging out with us today. 11 Simon, see you later. M. Lo Uganato. Devil's Advocate says, peace out. Thanks, Clay. Absolutely. Dunnell says, we can't leave without the little Petey Pete. El Petey Petey. El Petey Petey. El Petey 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 Pete. El Petey 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 Pete. El Petey Petey. El Petey Petey. El Petey 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 Pete. A donna donna. A donna donna. A donna na 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 na. A donna na 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 na. El Petey Petey. El Petey Petey. El Petey 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 Pete. El Petey 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 Pete. Thank you very much, Donnell. I appreciate that dance right there. By far, one of the best super chats that's out there. Thank you very much, Donnell. I really hope you enjoy your lunch. You have a wonderful afternoon, and you come back at the 3 o'clock stream. So thank you very much for that. Hungry Chair, shout out to you, man. Nini Waka, have a good lunch. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Slip Jones, DD214, Melvy, Pringleton, Hungry Chair. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. In 2 hours. Yes, but you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.